To send money from Australia to Sri Lanka, follow these steps. First, choose a suitable money transfer service, such as banks, online money transfer operators, or currency exchange offices. Popular options include Commonwealth Bank, ANZ Bank, and online services like TransferWise and Z Money Transfer. Next, verify the recipient's details, including their full name, address, and bank account information in Sri Lanka. Ensure the recipient's bank is compatible with the chosen transfer service. Then, check the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer. Look for services that offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. Some services may also offer promotions or discounts for first-time users or large transfers. After selecting the transfer service, register for an account if you haven't already. This typically involves providing identification and contact information. Once registered, log into your account and initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Review the transfer details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Delivery times can range from a few minutes to several days, depending on the service and transfer method. Finally, confirm the transfer and wait for the recipient to receive the funds. You will typically receive a confirmation email or SMS with the transfer details and tracking information. The recipient can then access the funds via their bank account or a cash pickup location, depending on the transfer service used. When sending money from Australia to Sri Lanka, be aware of the daily transfer limits and any restrictions on the amount you can send. Additionally, ensure you comply with Australian and Sri Lankan regulations regarding international money transfers. By following these steps and choosing a reliable transfer service, you can securely and efficiently send money from Australia to Sri Lanka.